The Ford F-150, it's more than just a truck, it's an American icon. And guess what? The best-selling vehicle in the US is getting even better. Hi, welcome back to NamCar channel. We're looking ahead to the 2025 Ford F-150, and while the updates might be minor, the current 2024 refresh was pretty significant. Let's take a closer look. The 2024 Fahrenheit 150 got a major makeover, including new paint options, wheel designs, and graphics to keep things fresh. Tech and safety features got a boost too, and the base engine is now a powerful twin-turbocharged 2.7-liter V6. Visually, the 2025 model might have some subtle changes. Think revamped headlights, a larger LED strip, and a grille that blends in with the body color. The taillights might get a slight redesign as well, but the bigger changes might be happening inside the cabin. Ford could be jumping on the trend of merging the instrument cluster and touchscreen into one giant OLED display stretching across most of the dashboard. That would be a pretty impressive tech upgrade. Of course, Ford isn't forgetting about electric vehicles. The all-electric F-150 Lightning is already a game-changer, and it shares a lot of its design with the gas-powered F-150. The Lightning offers unique features that wouldn't be possible with a gas engine, making it a truly innovative truck. Safety is always a priority for Ford. The 2025 Fahrenheit 150 is expected to come standard with driver assistance features like automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and lane keeping assist. You'll also have options for additional safety features like a 360-degree camera and trailer assist systems. And let's not forget about towing and hauling capacity. Ford is known for its tough trucks, and the 2025 Fahrenheit 150 should be no exception. Expect towing capacities to stay close to the 2024 model, which could reach up to 13,500 pounds depending on the configuration. Payload capacity should also be similar, topping out around 2,445 pounds. So, what do you think? The 2025 Ford F-150 ready to work hard and play hard with a potential tech upgrade and the ever-impressive electric F-150 Lightning option. Stay tuned for more updates as we get closer to the official reveal. Thanks for watching.